Hi friends, we are starting the second tutorial of HTML. In the first tutorial we have learned how to make the HTML page. Now in the second tutorial we will learn how to make how to working with the HTML text. Now, I have made already the page in HTML. Let's see how I make it. Now this is my HTML page, this is the code, nothing here but okay. Now open with the Google Chrome. So here is some text with HTML tutorial 2. What I have made here, I write just the HTML tag in the head. I using the HTML and my body is in nothing. Now I will write some text in the body. uh, for example, we have any website here. I will open it. For example, this is the elephant. Now I am copying the text here and then check what happened if I copy paste the text in HTML. Now I save it. This is tutorial. Okay, now let's see. There is all the text with the same format, with the same font. It's copy pasted without any spacing. So if we want to make the spacing, so we need the tags. So the tags are the most important in the HTML, not only for specifying the text, but we can manage and manipulate by our own. Now let's see how do we do with HTML. Okay, now here's the elephant. If I want it's a bigger, so it's better to I write the tag in H1 and I close the tag H1 here, because if I not close, so all the text will become main heading. Now here mammal, I write it the H5 because I want the small tag, so I write it here /H5. Written by, I write with the H3 tag and /H3 and okay. Now let's see what's happened with my text. This was the text. Now I refresh it. Let's see, the elephant is the highest level, mammal in the bold but is small, written by is small, and then same it is I am applying the tags, my text will become formatted. H3 and here I use /H3 and the rest of the tag I use with the paragraph P, and here I use /P. Now I'm saving my file. Let's see what's happened here. See, my text will be completely changed. Whatever I want, I made the elephant as a big heading, and then smaller headings I used and manipulated my text. Now if I want to make the elephant should be center, so I have some properties of the text. For example, in the H1 I can write the align property. Align property makes it center. Align center. I can make it to the left, right, as well as uh, left, right and center. I can make anything. Now let's check again what's happening with it. H1 align center. Oh, I didn't close the tag. Now see here, the elephant is in the center and the rest of the things are in the left align. So the next step is, if I want to make any specified word as a bold, italic or underline, so we have some following tags. For making the bold, we have using the two tags. Either we can use the bold tab or we can use the strong tab. Both have the no difference. Both are strong. Both are using for the emphasize as a high text. Let's see if I make it bigger. See, the elephant is the bold, same as you see the family is the normal font. I want it make to be italic, so I can use here the italic font for I using I, and after the space I use the /I to close my work. Now let's see here, the italic, the family is changed into the family Elephante is in italic form. Now if I use anything, make the underline, for example I write here the Africa and Asia, I want to make it underline with the separate. So if I use for example here U tag is using for underline, I don't want and as a underline, so I made it here. Now let's see, in the African Asia is changed into the underline, same as we can make the all text as underline, bold, italic and underline everything. For example here I using the U, I and bold, so /B /I and /U. Now if I change, let's see it here, this text will become bold, italic and underline. In the next tutorial we will learn some more about the HTML. We are using the fonts, we can make the bullets and the numbering, we are using the acronyms and so many things. So kindly subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please like the video. Thank you very much.